Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find your Instagram password and username. First of all, open up the Instagram application on your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the three bars at the top right corner. After that, tap on the settings and privacy option here. Here, tap on the account center option. Now under the account settings section, tap on the password and security option. Then tap on the save login option. Now select the account for which you want to see saved login information. Now make sure to turn on the saved login toggle. This way, when you log into Instagram, just click your username and it will log you in without needing your password. Now go back to the password and security and here tap on the change password option. After that, select your account and then enter your password. So this is how you can find your Instagram password and username. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.